Okie dokie. On the bench today, we've got a PS5 controller motherboard here, and all we're doing is switching out joysticks here. This is from a customer who brought me one before. I believe I have a video of it down there somewhere, but I just wanted to make note of this. These can be difficult for people who just aren't used to it, I should say. She made a good little nick here out of the plastic. It happens, right? But if a little too much, and it could cause, some issues. So let me zoom in here. I'll show you what I'm looking at here. So you can see the nick she took out there. What I'm afraid of is that. Can you see the solder splashes she's got going on here? I don't know exactly what. I might be a little too zoomed in, but yeah. Oh, that is rough. Sorry about that. Where were we here? I know this. Sometimes the light gets a little rough. But I might have to take a look at a picture. There it is. Of exactly what happened there. Yeah, that's pretty wild. Let me take you off the stand here. Do we see? I mean, I can see stuff all around here. That's going to be kind of rough. She almost had it. As you can see, I mean, she almost had it. But, look at stuff like that. Can you see that? See that little solder ball right there? Right there. All right, that could end up in between two of those pins there, and, well, good night, Irene, right? So, what the hell is that? Some kind of glue or something. She didn't knock a cap off there, did she? Oh, I should check that too. I know this is really zoomed in, guys. I'm sorry, but really got to look over this to see exactly what's happening here. Okay, well, I'll report back if I see anything wild here. So yeah, let me get this somewhat cleaned up and get these ones installed. Okie dokie. So there we go. And we got the new sticks installed. And don't mind the wet still. That's just from isopropyl. We took care of those solder splashes. Actually, I still kind of see. Or is that just shadow? Yeah, let me turn that light off here for a second. This thing does not want to focus today, huh? Let me back you out. Sorry. Let me back you out. Let me put you in here for half a second. Let me grab this here. Bring this over. Let me just look in between. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there's nothing there. Yeah, there's nothing there. Sorry. I just went like, don't you love my filming? I just went like this in between just to make sure that there was nothing there. And there's not. So, we can get rid of some of that crap there. Got rid of the solder blob that was there. Well, it wasn't a blob. It was just a splash. I checked everywhere else. I made sure there was nothing anywhere else, and that should do it. mean, you know what's so funny is these ones don't feel like once you remove them, right? Like it's crazy. Well, man, do they suck or is it just me? Hold on here. Man, these do feel they do feel nicer. Let me try this one here. Yeah. I mean, obviously these are used, right? But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, those do feel good. Those do feel really good, actually. Okay, well that'll do it for this. It's New Year's Eve, right? And I thought, nah, I'll put up one more before the new year, and this is it. So you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the new year.